In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide calendars you don't use on an iPhone calendar application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Calendars application. As you can see, I got a lot of events here. Each day marked with that gray circle contains an event. You may know that different events can be associated with different calendars, such as birthdays, such as holidays, for example, and we can easily turn off or hide that calendars. To do that, we need to head over to Calendars right here. And that's where we can find all our calendars, including iCloud calendars, Gmail calendars, and others. All the selected or checkmarked calendars are shown in your app. So let's say if you don't want to see, for example, birthdays or US holidays, you can easily deselect that calendars. Once it is done, just tap at Done. Now I'm gonna turn off Russian holidays as well, and it will hide most the events in January. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.